Welcome to Decode It with Pez.
I bet you didn't know that you can uncover the IP address of practically any website out there. It's like having a secret decoder ring for the internet. And the best part? You can do it right from your own computer. No special tools or expert knowledge required. It's way easier than you think. Seriously, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So let's dive in and uncover this little-known secret. Alright, first things first. We need to access a powerful tool that's built right into your operating system. Let's open up the command prompt. This is where the magic happens. Just click on your Windows Start menu, that little icon in the corner of your screen. Start typing CMD, you'll see it pop up in the search box, and hit Enter. Boom! The command prompt is ready. You'll see a black window pop up. Don't be intimidated, it's friendlier than it looks. To give it that cool hacker vibe and make it easier on the eyes, right-click the title bar at the very top of the command prompt window. Then, pick Properties from the menu that appears. In the Properties window, you can change the text color to green. It's a classic. Looking good. Now we're ready to roll. Now let's find that IP address we've been talking about. In the command prompt with that cool green text shining, type ping, then a space. Make sure you include that space. And now, type the website address you want to investigate. For example, pinggoogle.com. But feel free to try any website you're curious about. Hit enter. Let the command prompt do its thing. Look at those numbers flying by. Don't worry, you only need to focus on one thing. Look for the line that says, reply from. That's the key. The numbers right after reply from are the IP address for Google. Congratulations, you found it. Easy, right? I told you it wasn't complicated. But wait, there's more. I'm going to show you another way to find an IP address, just to give you options. Try this type NSlookup, which stands for Name Server Lookup. Then, just like before, type the website address after NSlookup. For example, nslookupgoogle.com. Simple as that. Press enter. Let's see what happens. Boom! There it is. The IP address shows up right there in the results. You'll usually find it under the non-authoritative answer section. It's that simple. Two different ways to achieve the same result. So, to recap, let's go over the steps one more time to make sure you've got it. First, open command prompt. Remember, start menu, type CMD, and enter. Then, set your text to green, or any color you like if you want to customize it. If you're feeling fancy and want to express your inner hacker. Then use ping, followed by the website address. Or use NSlookup, also followed by the website address. And just like that, you can grab any website's IP address you desire, in seconds. It's a super fast way to get the information you need. Now you've got the power, you're practically a network ninja. Want more easy tech tricks that will impress your friends? Smash that like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips and tricks. We're posting quick, easy to follow tips every week so you don't want to miss out. See you next time, and happy IP address hunting.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights, Decoded Weekly.